Hey everyone, Elena here, and today I'm sharing something that could truly make a difference in your life, especially if you've been struggling with your breathing or feeling constantly tired. Did you know that there's a natural solution that can actually help your lungs function better, allowing you to breathe more easily and live more freely? Imagine sleeping deeply through the night, waking up full of energy, and taking long walks without feeling breathless or fatigued. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's not too good to be true, because in this video, I'm going to tell you all about Lung Expand Pro, a powerful new solution that's changing lives. And if you want to check it out, the official Lung Expand Pro website is linked right below in the video description. Now, if you've been experiencing shortness of breath, sudden coughing fits, or that constant feeling of fatigue that holds you back from doing everyday things, just know you are not alone. These are often signs that your lungs are in need of some extra care and support, and that's exactly where Lung Expand Pro comes in. It's a specially crafted natural formula designed to support your lungs and improve your respiratory health. It helps promote deeper, fuller breaths, so your body can get the oxygen it needs to feel refreshed and energized again. What I love most about Lung Expand Pro is that it's completely natural and safe. There are no side effects, no chemicals, just clean, plant-based support for your lungs. Many people who've used Lung Expand Pro say they feel more energetic, they sleep better, and they're finally able to enjoy life without being interrupted by heavy breathing or chest tightness. With regular use, Lung Expand Pro can help you breathe easier and deeper, sleep more peacefully, and wake up feeling renewed. Enjoy more energy during the day, spend more time with loved ones without worrying about shortness of breath. And here's another thing that makes it even better. It comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. That means there's absolutely no risk in trying it. If it doesn't work for you, you get your money back. Simple as that. So if you're tired of struggling to breathe, and you're ready to feel free and energized again, Lung Expand Pro might be just what you've been looking for. Go ahead and click the link below in the description to visit the official website, read more, and take that first step to a better lung health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who could benefit. Take care, breathe easy, and I'll see you next time.